Hi, this is Lars with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and right now we're on the Scout 300 LXF. We got twin Mercury Verado 300s on the back of this. Right here in the transom you can see, pull-out seat, makes it nice and convenient. You have bilge access. All the bilges on your Scouts are going to be finished. Right here on our leading post, we have a live well. You have a sink, storage, as well as storage drawers. On both sides of this boat, we also have in-floor fish boxes, as well as rod holders up under the gunnels here. So coming to the helm, we have a nice touchscreen Garmin unit, as well as your Fusion remote for your stereo system. You have speakers in the hard top, speakers up in the bow, and a nice sub under here under the steering. Now coming around, you got a nice midship sleeper under the console area. You got room to sleep. That also folds up, and you got your batteries underneath it, as well as some room for more fishing rods. Now moving up to the bow, you have nice seating in front of the console, which also has some storage underneath. It's nice dry storage. Now here in the bow seats, we also have boxes under the seats on both sides. Could be used for anything. You got removable backrests for your front seats as well, and those could be stored somewhere. You have storage in the floor, as well as coming up to the bow. You got a windlass anchor system with controls. This is Lars with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. If you're interested in this boat, give us a call at 609-207-3325. Thank you.